How to easily create a text box in Google Docs. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then simply open our Google Docs. So in here, as you can see, I have a sample Google document. So to create a text box, all we need to do is to tap on this insert option, tap on the drawing option, and then tap on the new option. And then after that, in here, we'll have to tap on this text box option. Once we're done with that, we'll have to move our cursor to draw our text box. And then once you're done drawing your text box, you can also customize this by adding a color and a border line. To do that, tap on this fill color icon, and then after that, it will show us different colors. All we need to do is to choose any of this color. So as an example, I'm just gonna select green, and then after that, I'm going to add a border line. Simply tap on this border color, and then I'm just gonna choose the black one. And then after that, I'm just gonna type here the text that I want to be added. So as an example, I'm gonna type here, "Hi, please subscribe to our channel." Once I'm done customizing my text box, all I need to do is to tap on the save and close option. And then as you can see here, the text box is automatically added here. If we want to move the text box anywhere on the document, all we need to do is to select on the text box, tap on the behind text icon, and then after that, we can now move the text box anywhere on the document. So that's how easy we can create a text box in Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!